Hi everyone, my name is Devolia Powell. This is my last year at Washington University. I will be graduating in 2019. I'm taking my final field placement at Entrance House West, where I will be working with adults and children that have issues with addiction. I'm going to be running a couple of groups and doing some individual therapy with a couple of clients. So that sounds very exciting. Currently, I am employed as a part-time discharge planner at Pennsylvania Hospital, but also I've been blessed to be self-employed. What do I expect to get from this course? Well, I'm very new to this subject, so I want to learn as much as I can about this population, how to, if I was in the future work with this population, what are the, recognize the symptoms, the behaviors, and how to effectively work with someone who has IDD. I'm also very keen on learning about autism. My only experience I had with actually autism is watching some YouTube videos. And I recall my first time I watched a video on a child who I thought was having a meltdown. And I was thinking like, well, why did parents can't control their child in the public like this? And come to find out later on in the video, the child had autism. And just to witness this, the behavior and the meltdown and it was amazing. It was really, but I didn't understand it. So the more I learn now, the more I read upon it, the more I learn from my classmates, and it will really be helpful for me in the event that I should, engage with clients, of this type of disorder. I have taken quite a few online classes at Widener, and I actually enjoy them. My success for taking online classes is pretty much, I try to stay 2 weeks ahead with my assignments, and also I write down on paper, at least 2 or 3 weeks ahead of assignments, what's due, the time frame, and what an instruction. And I actually post it to my wall in my bedroom. So each day when I get up, I have a visual of what is expected, what is due, so I can stay on task and stay focused. As far as challenges, it's managing time management. Being able to make sure I divide my time equally among both of my courses and make sure both of them has, the best of my attention. So I can have a successful outcome for the semester. Otherwise, I look forward to getting to know everyone, learn as much as I can from you guys, and if something I can share with you, then hey, I'm all for it. Other than that, I wish everybody the best. I hope you have a good semester, and let's get this journey started. All right, bye-bye.